Open day 11 and day 12 of the Makeup Revolution You Are the Revolution advent calendar. Hopefully this will be the only day that I'm doing 2 in 1. I really wasn't feeling it yesterday. But anyway, we got a stunning lipstick on the day 11 in the shade Baby. And it is this stunning plummy neutrally colour, and I'm super excited to use it. I'm trying to get it in the best lighting here so you can actually see what the colour is. But yeah, it is so pretty, which is really nice to get a neutral instead of the crazy red that we got on the first day. And then we have day 12, which is a long boy. And today is a lip gloss, again in this like stunning purpley colour.